Hello everyone friends, this is Vela channel. Today I'll show how to block applications on Windows 11 and 10. Open Chrome and type secret folder download. Go to the first site, click secret folder download, click this button and it appears in our downloads. Open secret folder, click the yes button, click OK next and the program installs. It's installed now, I already had it. Now set a password. Let's say I want to block all Steam games. To do this, I click Add, go to where my Steam is located and press E. Here I have the Steam folder, I click OK and now it's blocked. All Steam applications won't work now. But let's say I want to open Risk of Rain. See, it doesn't open. To unlock this folder, yes, let's say I close the program. Here, to open it, you'll need to enter a password. Here, enter the password you set, then select the program you need and click unlock. Here, and now everything will work perfectly, that's all. This was Velar with you. Goodbye everyone!